day after Christmas, just hanging out, cleaning up, putting things away, all the things. There was a notification at the door, so I go look, clearly confused and ecstatic at the same time. Like, what are you saying to me? What is this? What are we doing here? I didn't order anything. I got some PR from Morphe. Like, I don't even remember how I signed up for it. I don't know how this happened. And so people have commented, how did you get on the Morphe PR list? I don't know, is the answer. I don't know, but I'm super thankful and very excited. If that doesn't come across, I don't know how else to tell you. And I'm trying to think, buttery blend, like what? Is this like a powder? Like what are we talking about? And then I accidentally, because I didn't open it yet because I wanted to open it on camera. This is all creator talk. So if you're just like, I want to see what's in the box, just fast forward. But I didn't open it yet because I wanted to open it on camera. And my husband's like, what's in it? I'm like, I don't know. But I accidentally did see, scrolling, I did kind of see that there was maybe a brush situation going on, but I tried to swipe quickly so that I would still be surprised. I love a surprise. Anywho, let's get to the box. Morphe sent me a box. My 2016 creator girl inside of me, her heart is bursting. What? Oh my God. Y'all are gonna die. It's Buttery Blends. And it looks like butter. Oh my God. I made green bean casserole for my Christmas Eve family dinner, and I did use quite a lot of butter, so sorry family, but it just makes it taste better. It looks like a big giant piece of butter. I have to go show this to my husband right now. Oh my God, this is hilarious. Okay, he agrees. It's hilarious. Look at this. I have to actually like open it. I just want to take a picture of it. Hold on. It's so funny to me. I took some pictures of it. It's precious. But I'm now trying to carefully open it without ruining the wrapping because it's so cute. Like somebody clearly worked really hard to make this look like butter. They used glue dots. Now how am I going to get it out? I don't want to rip it. Look at my hand. It's starting to come out. I'm trying really hard not to rip it, and I already did a little bit on the bottom. Oh, look. Okay. Oh, now my hair's getting stuck in it. I didn't want to rip it. Oh. Okay, minimal damage. Just a little bit there. Let's see. It's just a big yellow box. Oh, it does say Morphe. Oh, look, I had it upside down. It says Morphe there. Like, I don't even know what to do. I'm so, like, blown away. I'm getting PR from Morphe. Like, what is this? What is this world? I don't know. Some kind of thing here. Oh, I don't want to ruin it. Oh my God. Oh, it smells new. Oh my God, it's a lot of brushes and some stuff fell out. Hold on. Oh, it's like a little travel. That is cute. Wasn't this yellow color like the color of the year or something? I feel like I saw, you know what I'm talking about? Like the color of the year, and they do like all the kitchen colors. Am I imagining that? I feel like that yellow was like the color of the year or something. Look at this. Oh my God. Buttery Blends. Let's finally talk about it. Crikey. Brush collection. I'm 49 years old, so we're going to need the glasses. Buttery Blends 4-piece face brush set. We've got a domed foundation brush, flat-topped foundation brush, slanted foundation brush, spatula foundation brush, tool duo, and then the six-piece travel. Oh, the tool duo is like sponges and stuff. Like, I almost want to cry. Like, Amber, settle down. It's just brushes, but it means a lot. And my fellow creators will know. Crikey, hold on. It's just like most of the time, I don't think people get me. Most people in my world, in my real world, don't understand me or get me. And so the fact that, a brand that I like and use, just, why am I crying? God. To be seen, you know what I mean? It's like, in this world, it just, you know, with the oversaturation of creators and influencers and everybody trying to do all the same thing, you know, to try and stand out in some way, for some brand to actually just go, you know what, let's put, yeah, send her that, you know, it's just like, it means something. So thank you. And thank you for even watching this. If anybody is still watching. Most of my followers don't even see my videos. You guys know how that is. But anyway, I'm really excited. Let's look at the brushes, for God's sake. This is the face brush set. Foundation. Another foundation. Another foundation. Oh, wait, I put that in the wrong hole. It says another foundation. What are we doing with the foundation? This one looks kind of like a little stubby paintbrush. And then the travel set. I love this kind of rubbery bag. It's like silicone or something. I love it. And then the Buttery Blend Tool Duo. I can't say that. Tool Duo. Looks like a sponge and then like a little puff. Yeah. Touch Up Powder Puff. Multifunctional makeup sponge. Love. It's like the bread and butter of your routine. Top sellers you reach for every day. The smoothest application. A color you'll melt for. New creamy pastel creates covetable, collectible, limited edition lineup. Love it. The bristles' antibacterial properties have been rigorously tested and validated by an independent, globally accredited, US-based clinical laboratory. Love that. Thank you, Morphe. I am ecstatic. In case you couldn't tell. Very excited to try all of these. Highly recommend the Morphe brushes if you haven't tried them yet. Where have you been? Let me know what you think and follow for more. My name is Amber Wood, almost 50 makeup mom. Okay, bye.